Beetle. I know thing here, see right here. And now I'm gonna make Beetle. Yep, let's go make Beetle. Oh yes. Lucky's Animal Jam. Go make Beetle. Today Craig, the Dino Infinity will be giving fashion advice. Yep. Do you see this outfit right here? This gorgeous. Do you know the most beautiful? This one's okay, but you want to know what's the best outfit? This one I am very proud. This was the true Craig Shine. I am the Dino Infinity. Yes. Craig, what are you doing? Get out! What happened to my? I don't know. I'm the Dino Infinity. I'm making Beetle. I don't know what happened. I don't know what you're talking about. No, just get out. No, I make Beetle. Go away. I make Beetle. I'm the Dino Infinity. I make Beetle. Now leave, but I make Beetle. Okay. So now I make Beetle. And see. Let's see. We need to recycle some things that we don't need. Okay, let's start recycling. You see this? This looks nice. This looks nice. This looks nice. You see all this? This is like beautiful. This is so rare. This, you see, this is trash. Let's see what else is trash. What else? You see this? This trash. This rare spike color. I'm never gonna use it. It's trash. What else? This trash. The Beetle. Okay, let's look at some examples of what to do. You see this right here? This, it's not rare. No one likes it. It's Spike, and I don't like it. See this? You see this? Let's go look at some bad outfits, everybody. This one isn't full enough. Well, all bam. All dim. Anyways. You see this outfit? It's beautiful. Everybody go look at this outfit and copy because it's gorgeous. Anyways. Let's see. See this outfit? It's trash. It's trash. See this? No. That's not what to do. This, you gotta have something very gorgeous like this. And don't wear Spike. Spike not cool. Like shorts collar, no. This again is trash. It's trash. Let's look for it. It's not the first non-trash ones. Oh look, this is not trash. This is good. This is not trash. This good masterpiece, but he didn't make it. You see. Let's continue with the Beetle. Everybody loves Beetle. Let's go look at more outfits. Let's see if we can get store-bought outfits. Okay, we're going to need clear animal. How about this one? This one is new. First, we're gonna need some nice colors. So I like to go with the very nice orange and brown and stuff. I find this color goes well with everything, and when I say everything, I mean everything. And then we have a nice brown that looks super good. And then you need some good things like this one. That one's very nice. Here's blue. And then gonna need green pattern. Okay, let's go get the outfit. I'm gonna make it not a member for everybody who don't have the non-members. So let's go. We're gonna go to the My Clothing. We're gonna click on this. This is nice, but it's not member. It is member. This is nice. Let's see. This is nice. This looks amazing. But I'm afraid there's not another member. Anyways. Horned leg pads. It's very nice. Anyways, we're going to get on with the video. These are nice. I think I buy them in a nice red and black color. And this nice too. This gets it in this color. What else? What do we have the money for? How about this? This is all I'm too poor. I need to get some more money. Yes, I'm going to get some more money. Let's go get some more monies. Let's go to this place where we get the games. Anyways, oh, this will give us more monies. Let's play this. This will give us more money. All games give you more money, yes. Let's go get some more monies. Did I win? Of course I win. Game is trash. Anyways, let's go this gem ball. Let's see what is this. Let's play it. Did I do it? Okay. This is for the video. I got 2 gems. I hope you like the video. It's a good video. This game is boring. Give me more gems. Let's go to get this for the video. Be smart and do this. Orange is my favorite color. Of course. Yes, look at how smart I am. Look at my memory. And look, I did it. Boom, boom. Oh, yes. Oh, no. I forgot this. Let's go get our gems and leave. I think we have more gems now. Let's go fire. No. Okay, I will get rid of our diamonds. Let's play Splash and Dash. They should give us diamonds. What are these things? Are they dolphins? What are dolphins? You see these outfits are good. These aren't trash. Go dolphin, go dolphin. Go, yes, faster dolphin. We're doing go good dolphin. Yes, I will go and get master of the dolphins. The dolphins will bow down to me because I'm just that cool. Go dolphin, go. Yes, bow down to me, dolphin friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Here's my video. I will go, dolphins. Let's get gems so we can create perfect outfit. This will teach you how to be fashionable. Do you want to be fashionable? I like being fashionable. Use my secret weapon. Everybody use it. Makes you go fast. Let's go. This is for the video. I will use it again. Oh look, I got first place. I got 50 gems. Let's go. Now we can buy it. But let's see if there's anything that's very fancy. Over here where we can get stuff for video. Okay. This could be good for video, but I don't have the monies. So let's just get this simple thing. See, I bought it. And now I have this. If you have to be fashionable, Let's go ask everybody if they like my outfit for the video. Come to my van. Do you like my outfit? Say hi if you like my outfit. Say hi if you like outfit. Hello, everybody saying hi because my outfit good. This is a good video. Everybody loves it. Love my video. Oh, see, look, somebody said pie. Thank you. You are in video. See, everybody loves my outfit. Let's go to our den. Let's go put my friend in here. My new friend. Let's get him. Let's see. This, you see, this is Trish. Let's go. My friend here. Let's name him Craig. I think that's a good name. Well, anyways, Craig and I are going to have our tea party. So we need to go. Goodbye. I hope you like video. It was a good video.